Hey guys, I got another unboxing today. I came across a pair of the Vans Old Skool bolts in a multicolor colorway. I'd never seen this before. The bolts line was short-lived. It was only around for a few years. I never picked up any and I kind of regret not getting any. They actually were pretty cool. But when I saw this colorway, I just had to have it. I ended up looking all over the internet and I luckily found my size brand new through chic.com. So Old Skool bolt, multi. Can't wait to see these. Oh, I love these colors. Look at that. You've got dark green suede on the back, a burgundy suede on the front, canvas medium blue, and a canvas mustard tongue with the bolts going along the sides. Looks like this pair has already been tried on, but that's okay. Oh, these look so good. Another cool thing I just noticed, along with the bolt on the side, there's actually bolts that go along the top. They don't do this with the regular Old Skool. These are kind of similar to the Yacht clubs in that they have the 4 color blocks. Different orientation, different colors. The Yacht clubs are basically primary colors. These ones are more muted, darker. My friend commented saying it's the same shoe, but look, as you can see, it's definitely not the same shoe. But before I try these on, I'm gonna fix these shoelaces. The OCD in me, I can't do that twisted stuff. So I actually have an update on my Yacht clubs. They're not actually supposed to come with these flat laces. They're supposed to come with these round laces. As it turns out, the seller said that they had sold multiple pairs, and the ones that were in the photo with the round laces were actually a different pair. So after a lot of back and forth, I got them to give me a partial discount so I could purchase the laces. So that being said, let's lace these up. Now, as you can see with the round laces, the shoe has a totally different vibe to it. You can see more of the red tongue, and it just gives it that little extra unique look for Vans. They don't normally come with round laces like this. Well, there you have it. The Bolts Multi and the Yacht clubs. Do you guys have a preference? Let me know in the comments which one you guys would pick up.